Zach Preator. I am the manager for composites. The Nexus is one of our proprietary stocks. If you're gonna get an unpainted stock, it is the Nexus. The first layer is gonna be the most important because that's the layer that you see. So you need to make sure that you have every piece lined up and pushed down hard, but not too hard so that you distort it. The second layer is just as important. You can't lax with it because if you do, you're gonna start creating bubbles, you're gonna start creating voids, and that will show up in the gun and be a reject. Once you put in the structural features and then go for the last layer, it's just as important because you need all of that to be very cohesively made. Otherwise, once you go to do the cook, the bladder system will not push down evenly in how you want it to. It will not turn out the way that you want it to. You have to have that it factor to make a very nice looking Nexus.